Good evening, I am Aayush Kumar Singh, and my registration number is 21BC1942, and I am going to present a PPT on topic automatic irrigation system. So this is the presentation overview. So the introduction is an automatic irrigation system is a system that water plants or crops automatically without the need of manual intervention. These systems use sensors to detect the moisture level in the soil and then turn on the water supply accordingly. So the components used in the project are Arduino Uno, moisture sensor, temperature sensor, gas sensor, Bluetooth module, water pump, breadboard, and wires. The main objective of the automatic irrigation system are conservation, time saving, increased yield, and many others. So this is the literature review. So as you can see, these are the authors and the year they published the observation. And here are some key points taken from my project only. So these are the rest. Now, methodology. The automated irrigation system automatically measures the moisture level in the soil using a monitoring unit that compromises of several sensors. When the moisture level drops below a certain threshold, the sensor sends a wireless message to the water pump. Uh, like the Bluetooth module will be connected to the user's phone and it will send a message that the water level is low. At that time, water pump will be automatically on. And similarly, when the water level is high, then the Bluetooth module will send a message to the user that water level is high and the water pump will be automatically turned off. And temperature sensor will detect the temperature near the area, and gas sensor will detect smoke or any poisonous gas that is near the area. This is the circuit diagram. As you can see, this is Bluetooth module. It is connected to the Arduino board. This is water pump. It is also directly connected to the Arduino board. Moisture sensor is connected to the breadboard and Arduino board. Same with temperature sensor and gas sensor. All VCCs are connected to the VCC of Arduino, and ground are connected to the ground, and A0 pin is connected to the analog point of the Arduino board. So this is the code and the hardware. When moisture sensor detects moisture and water pump is automatically turned off. As you can see, moisture sensor is in the water. It is detecting moisture, so the water pump is turned off and no water is flowing through the water pump. So in this, there are two parts in this code. There are two parts. First is the setup part, and serial number is 9600, and delay is of 2000 milliseconds. And in the void loop, it will uh, delay is of 1 second, or you can say 1000 millisecond, and the values are given here. Those are 550, 10, 0, and 100. And as you can see, the moisture it is sending a message, and it has a reading from the sensor that uh, the those readings are here. Plus, when the moisture sensor is detecting moisture, the readings will be in positive. And here is the code when so here is the code and hardware when moisture sensor is not detecting any moisture and pump is turned on. As you can see, sensor is here and it is not detecting any moisture, and water pump is turned on as water is flowing from the container to the tea cup. And the code is in two parts. Same serial number is 9600, delay is of 2000 milliseconds, and loop part is the numbers are same, and the delay time is also same, 1000 milliseconds. But here the change is that number readings are in negative. So when the moisture sensor is not detecting any moisture, then readings will be in negative. Here is code when gas near the gas sensor is clean or no smoke is detected. So as you can see, it is the here is the gas sensor, and no smoke or poisonous gas is near this. So it is sending a message, gas sensor warming up. And in this, as you can see, the matchstick is burned, and gas sensor is detecting the smoke. So it is sending a message to the user that smoke is detected with the readings. Temperature sensor is detecting the temperature near the area in Fahrenheit. And as you can see here, here are the readings. Now, conclusion of this automatic irrigation system is that using Arduino is effective and efficient way to automate the irrigation process for your plants. The system uses sensors to detect moisture level in the soil and then triggers the irrigation system to turn on and off as necessary. And temperature sensor is used to detect the temperature near the crops, and gas sensor is used to detect the smoke or poisonous gas. By implementing an automatic irrigation system using Arduino Uno, we can save time, water, and energy while ensuring that your plants receive the optimal amount of water they need to thrive. Overall, this project is a great way to combine technology and gardening to create a more sustainable and efficient approach of irrigation. Now, these are the references that I took help from to make this project. Uh, and now I'm gonna explain the hardware of automatic irrigation system. I am Aayush Kumar Singh. My registration number is 21BC 1942, and this is my project, automatic irrigation system. So the main components are Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, gas sensor, temperature sensor, moisture sensor, and through moisture sensor, moisture detector is connected. And here's the water pump, some wires, breadboard, and a pipe through which water will flow. Now we will talk about the uses of these. So we'll start with the moisture sensor. Moisture sensor will detect the moisture sensor is connected to the soil moisture detector, which will detect the moisture in the plant. So if the moisture is at low level, water pump will automatically turn on, and if the moisture is on high level, water pump will automatically turn off. So here is the temperature sensor. It will detect the temperature near a radius, and it will detect in Fahrenheit. And here's the gas sensor. It will detect the smoke or any dangerous gas that is near the crops or plants. And here's the Bluetooth module. The RX and TX of Bluetooth module are connected to TX and RX of Arduino, and Bluetooth module is connected to a user's phone that will help to detect everything and will share some messages to the user's phone, like if there's a gas near it, then it will show smoke detected or poisonous gas detected. It will show the temperature to the user, and if the is high, it will show that moisture level is high and will automatically turn off the water pump, and vice versa. If the moisture level is low, it will show that moisture level is low, and water pump will turn on automatically. So now I will show how it will work. The Arduino is connected through a wire to my laptop, and as you can see, the project has started now. As you can see, everything is working properly. Now I will show you how the water pump will work. So here are the wires for the water pump which are connected, and so as you can see, the soil moisture detector is not in the water, so water pump is uh, working properly, not coming through the container to the cup. So this is the uh, main use of that soil moisture detector. Now as like I now as I will remove this, water pump will automatically turn off. So as you can see, water is flowing through the container to the cup. Show you the working of the gas sensor. So I'm lighting up the matchstick. So gas sensor will detect the smoke. So as you can see in the laptop, smoke is detected, and it's also showing the value of the smoke level. And when the matchstick was not burned, it is showing gas sensor warming up. So it's when the gas is normal. So this was the working of the gas sensor. Now for the temperature sensor, it is detecting the temperature in Fahrenheit. So I have a screenshot of that. So as you can see, it is detecting each and every temperature of each and every second. Now for the moisture sensor, as when the soil moisture detector was in the water, as you can see the readings are here, and when the water pump was working properly, so you can see the readings, it's in positive. And when the moisture sensor is detected and water pump is turned off, these are the readings. And these are the second readings when the moisture sensor was put in the moisture again, and these are the same readings when the moisture sensor was taken off. And now I will show you the use of the Bluetooth module. So I am turning off my Bluetooth, connecting it to the app. As you can see, it is connected, and key configuration is right is for turning on the water pump and left is for the turning of the water pump. So as you can see, now I will tap on the right button and water pump will automatically turn on. So as you can see, water pump is turned off, and when I tap on left button, water pump will automatically turn off. So as you can see, it's turned off. Thank you. This temperature sensor can be used during winters and summer both, and a moisture sensor is the most important thing in this topic. Thank you.